guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I want to show you how to make scrunchy hairband. These are the materials I will be using. This is bridal satin, elastic rubber, and paper. So this is the main fabric for the scrunchie. It's on fold. It's 40 inches, then 7 inches width, 40 inches length. Then this one is for the inner one. This one is this is 14 inches by 2 inches. This one is for the elastic. This is 15 inches by 3 inches, and the elastic is 6 inches. I'll put the measurement in the description box. So we are going to sew. Before then, I said this is on fold, there is 40 inches length. Just fold, make them equal, and fold into 2. So I will measure from here, from the folded part, 1 2 3 4, for where there is 4. So I will measure from there, ½ inch like this, ½ inch, and I will measure 4 inches up. I will just connect it. So I'll cut. So I've cut off that edge. So this is what we have now. Fold it to the wrong side. This is the inside of the bridal satin. This is the wrong side. So we are going to stitch straight down, and the one for the elastic too, we are going to stitch it as well straight down. It's only this one that will not stitch. So let's go to sewing machine. So I have stitched. This is what I have. I want to turn it inside out. So I have turned the fabric inside out. I want the sewing to be at the middle like this, and the same thing for the one we are going to put the elastic. So remember the inner fabric I said we are going to use with the help of my safety pin. I'm going to push this into this. So this is the fabric that went inside the band. I will use pin to pin it so that it will stay in place, and I did the same for this other side. So this one now we're going to fix in our elastic. So I'll use safety pin to pin the band so it doesn't go back inside. I will do the same for this side too. So you bring the one with your elastic to this part. I use pin to secure this so it doesn't go inside. I've not stitched it. So you put this one at the middle. Look at where we stitch. Then wrap this one on it. We'll pin it. So we are going to stitch across Then we'll do the same for this one. Place this one here, wrap this one across it. I'm going to stitch. So let's go and stitch. So I've already stitched. This is what I have. I will just cut off this excess a little. So I will turn it inside out. So our scrunchie hairband is ready.